Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about living our best life while taking care of our planet. We are passionate about sustainable living. Reduce, reuse, recycle and minimize waste going to landfills. Today, we're diving into something special. A waste-free or better still zero-waste beauty routine perfect for island life. This is also very pertinent for mainland living. Natural beauty regimens are becoming more popular, especially among young generations. Let's explore simple, natural ways to care for ourselves and Mother Earth at the same time. Ready to discover some island-inspired, eco-friendly beauty secrets? Let's get started. Unfortunately, islands are inundated with tons of waste. First things first. Let's talk about the basics of a waste-free beauty routine. It's all about using natural ingredients and reusable or biodegradable items. This approach is perfect for island life where resources can be limited and nature is abundant. Let's start with cleansing. Instead of using bottled face wash, try a natural oil cleansing method. Coconut oil is often readily available on islands and works wonders for removing makeup and impurities. Simply massage a small amount onto your face and wipe off with a reusable cloth. For those with oily skin, a mixture of castor oil and essential oil works great. Next up, exfoliation. Skip the plastic packaged scrubs and make your own using ingredients from your kitchen. Mix some used coffee grounds with a bit of honey for a great body scrub. For your face, try mixing oatmeal with a touch of water for a gentle exfoliant. Some popular natural exfoliants include baking soda, finely ground sugar, finely ground almonds, finely ground sea salt, cinnamon, green tea and essential oils. Now, let's talk about moisturizing. Islands can be humid, but sun exposure can still dry out your skin. Aloe vera is a fantastic natural moisturizer that often grows wild on islands. Simply cut open a leaf and apply the gel directly to your skin. For extra dry areas, try using pure shea butter or cocoa butter. Don't forget about sun protection. While there are some zero-waste sunscreen options available, they can be hard to find on islands. A great alternative is to wear protective clothing and seek shade during peak sun hours. Wide-brimmed hats and long-sleeved rash guards are island staples for a reason. Let's move on to hair care. Island life often means salty air and lots of sun, which can be tough on your locks. Try using a natural shampoo bar instead of bottled shampoo. These bars last longer and don't create plastic waste. For conditioning, coconut oil makes an excellent deep treatment. Apply it to your hair, leave it on for an hour, then rinse thoroughly. Now, what about styling products? Sea salt spray is a popular choice for beachy waves, but most come in plastic bottles. Make your own by mixing sea salt, water, and a few drops of aloe vera gel in a glass spray bottle. Shake well before each use for perfect beach hair. Makeup can be tricky in a zero-waste routine, especially on an island. Consider embracing your natural beauty and going makeup-free more often. When you do want a little color, try using natural pigments. Beetroot powder can be mixed with a bit of coconut oil for a natural lip and cheek tint. Activated charcoal mixed with aloe vera gel makes a great eyeliner. Let's talk about some island-specific beauty challenges. Bug bites can be a real issue in tropical paradises. Instead of using chemical-laden repellents, try making your own spray with witch hazel and essential oils like citronella or lemongrass. For soothing bites, a paste made from baking soda and water works wonders. Another island beauty concern: dry, cracked feet from walking barefoot. Create a simple foot scrub using coarse salt and olive oil. Follow up with a rich moisturizer like shea butter, and wear socks overnight for extra softening. Don't forget about oral care. Bamboo toothbrushes are a great zero-waste alternative to plastic ones. For toothpaste, try making your own with coconut oil, baking soda, and peppermint essential oil. Now, let's address the importance of hydration in your beauty routine. Island life often means lots of sun and heat, which can dehydrate you quickly. Invest in a reusable water bottle and make a habit of sipping throughout the day. Your skin will thank you. One last tip: create a designated beauty corner in your living space. Use glass jars or coconut shells to store your homemade products. This not only keeps things organized but also adds a touch of island charm to your routine. Remember, transitioning to a zero-waste beauty routine takes time. Start with 1 or 2 changes and gradually incorporate more as you get comfortable. The key is progress, not perfection. We've covered everything from cleansing to sun protection, all while keeping our impact on the environment minimal. Remember, living sustainably is a journey, not a destination. Every small change you make adds up to a big difference for our beautiful planet and sustainable lifestyle. How do you incorporate zero-waste practices into your beauty routine? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly content.